Hey, in this video, we're going to talk about how to make French fries. French fries are a classic and beloved comfort food all over the world. Whether as a side dish to burgers, hot dogs, or simply as a snack, these crispy, golden potato sticks are a crowd pleaser that can be enjoyed by all ages. In this video, we will go through the step-by-step process of making French fries at home, with a recipe that is video to follow, and will yield perfectly crispy and delicious results every time. So before starting this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Let's get started. Ingredients: 4 large potatoes, preferably russet potatoes, 2 quarts of vegetable oil for frying, salt to taste. Instructions: Step 1. Prepare the potatoes. The first step in making French fries is to select the right potatoes. Russet potatoes are the best choice for French fries, as they have a high starch content that makes them perfect for frying. Peel the potatoes and cut them into even sticks about 1/4 inch wide. It's important to cut the potatoes into uniform size so that they cook evenly. Once you have cut the potatoes, rinse them in cold water to remove any excess starch. Then, pat them dry with a paper towel. Step 2. Preheat the oil. The next step is to preheat the oil in a deep pot or fryer. The oil should be heated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. This temperature is important because it allows the potatoes to cook slowly and evenly, without burning or becoming too crispy on the outside. Step 3. Fry the potatoes. First fry. Once the oil has reached the right temperature, it's time to fry the potatoes. Carefully add the potatoes to the hot oil, using a slotted spoon or frying basket. Do not overcrowd the pot or fryer, as this will lower the temperature of the oil and make the fries soggy. Fry the potatoes for about 4 to 5 minutes, or until they are cooked through but not yet golden brown. Step 4. Drain and rest the potatoes. Once the potatoes are cooked, remove them from the oil using a slotted spoon or frying basket. Place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. Let the potatoes rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This resting period is important because it allows the potatoes to cool down and release any excess moisture, which will help them become crispier when fried for the second time. Step 5. Heat the oil again. While the potatoes are resting, increase the heat of the oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. This temperature is higher than the first frying temperature and will help to crisp up the potatoes on the outside while keeping them soft on the inside. Step 6. Fry the potatoes again. Second fry. Once the oil has reached the right temperature, add the rested potatoes back into the pot or fryer. Again, do not overcrowd the pot or fryer, as this will lower the temperature of the oil and make the fries soggy. Fry the potatoes for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are golden brown and crispy. Step 7. Drain and season the French fries. Once the fries are cooked to perfection, remove them from the oil using a slotted spoon or frying basket. Place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. Sprinkle with salt to taste and toss to evenly distribute the seasoning. Step 8. Serve and enjoy. Your homemade French fries are now ready to be served and enjoyed. You can serve them as a side dish with your favorite burger or hot dog, or simply enjoy them as a snack on their own. French fries are best when they are hot and crispy, so serve them right away for the best results. Tips for making perfect French fries. Use russet potatoes. As mentioned earlier, russet potatoes are the best choice for French fries as they have a high starch content, which helps in achieving the perfect crispiness. Soak the potatoes. Soaking the cut potatoes in cold water for at least 30 minutes before frying can help to remove excess starch and make them crispier. Dry the potatoes thoroughly. Make sure to pat the potatoes dry with a paper towel after soaking them. Excess moisture can cause the oil to splatter and make the fries less crispy. Use a thermometer. Use a thermometer to monitor the temperature of the oil. The right temperature is crucial for achieving crispy and golden French fries. Fry in batches. It's important to not overcrowd the pot or fryer while frying the potatoes. Frying in small batches will help to maintain the temperature of the oil and prevent the fries from getting soggy. Rest the potatoes. Allowing the potatoes to rest between the first and second fry is important as it helps to remove any excess moisture and results in crispier fries. Season the fries immediately. Toss the fries with salt or any other seasoning while they are still hot, as this will help the seasoning to stick to the fries. In conclusion, making French fries at home may seem daunting at first, but with the right ingredients and method, it's actually quite simple. Follow these steps and tips to achieve perfectly crispy and delicious French fries every time. So why not ditch the fast food version and try making your own French fries at home? It's a fun and rewarding experience that will be sure to impress your friends and family. Enjoy! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.